It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, this particular one, we're going to be going down this way, which is, it's called Straw Street, Palha. So stay tuned, and we'll go down this way, and then down that way around the corner a little bit. Show you all these different crowds of people as well. Macau, Palha Street, up on the map, and this is a really busy street today. When I filmed this video, it's actually busy today. I was there again and separately without the camera, but it's pedestrian friendly, just kind of a really cool vibe. It's always like that. And so anyways, we got it up on the map. I'm also going to share you the lyrics. So those lyrics are I generated the words and then I fed it into an AI program, and then that's where the musical part comes out. Anyways, we're gonna go to the walk and talk and show you Palha Street in Macau. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so this meander into Straw Street. Let's give you some context and stuff. These streets go towards the waterfront, the ocean. So they go all the way down that way, and then you go down to Intelligence, which basically goes all the way down to Pont 16, the waterfront. 16, but near there. That goes us up all the ruins, directly that way. And we're going to be navigating this direction down Palha Street. Okay. Lots of people everywhere today. So let's meander. We're kind of walking towards Senado Square, but we're just checking in all the crowds. Even the alleys today are so busy. There's like a matcha down there. And you can see lots of people everywhere just walking by today. Let's go over this way. Lots of people are coming down this way too. Okay. So yeah, Palha looks pretty busy today. We're kind of close to Chinese New Year, so I think we're about 2 weeks away, but the crowds kind of feels like maybe holiday started for some people already, maybe? And then Palha is actually going to be ending down this way. Nature Republic. I think that might be a Korean store. Lush kind of things you might even see in the shopping malls. So Palha is actually going to be ending shortly, so we're going to walk to the end of the street. But it is a pretty cool street. I do like it. And it's also nice too because there's like you'll never see a car in the street. Kind of makes you wish they had more streets like this that were. Macau does have some, it's nice. But sometimes you wish even more of the city was like this. Because just being able to walkable place is kind of amazing. Okay. Let's go down a little bit further. There we go, the Palha Straw Street. Okay, so we're gonna try to see if we can try to kind of capture the scene a little bit. Let's try to get across. Okay, so that was Straw Street. I'm just gonna come around and just kind of show you some of the other stuff, put some stuff in context a little bit. But that direction, this way goes towards the Portuguese consulate, Portuguese embassy, Portuguese bookstore. This one goes up to Say Cathedral that way. And then this one is towards St. Dominic's. And then that way is Sao Paulo ruins, where we were just coming from. So that's all Palha, all those people everywhere. Palha. And then because that's kind of a short street, we're gonna just walk down towards St. Dominic's. And it's also a nice time of the evening too, because the lights are just coming down. So let's kind of navigate through this a little bit. Give you a little taste of Macau. And I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna keep the camera running, and I'm just gonna continue further down. So that's Sao Domingos. And then we're gonna navigate through here a little bit. There's a lot of stuff going on down there too. Kind of things in every direction today. So let's kind of navigate down this way. And then we're going to go into Senado Square. And we got all the Chinese New Year stuff. So technically we're in Largo de Senado, so we're definitely not in Palha anymore. But we'll just kind of capture the feel of the street. Okay. This Hong Hai Fat Choi. Happy New Year. So yeah, right now it's gearing up for Chinese New Year. So it's Palha. Now we're walking in the Senado Square. There you go. So yeah, Palha was just basically like this. And on that note, we're going to end the video. Happy New Year.
I'm gonna end the video here, but this is where we were just at, down in Senado Square. And then now we're up in this little mall, mate. Some nice restaurants up here. And I wonder if I could go upstairs. But if I don't, this is we'll end the video right here though.
Away.